Hello friends, many of the homeopaths and practitioners they have used two remedies as a very specific remedy. First is Robenia as a remedy for acidity, severe acidity, and second, most of the in viral diseases, Eupatorum perfoliatum is being used as a specific. So I want to stress upon a few points regarding these two remedies in this video. See, first of all, the remedy selection, the basis of remedy selection, there should be some basis that why Rubinia and why Eupatorum. There is nothing specific in homeopathy, as you all know. So, what about Rubinia? First, I would like to talk about Rubinia. So in Rubinia, what happens is there is a specific symptom mentioned. Heartburn and acidity aggravates night on lying down, preventing sleep. So this is one symptom of Rubinia where there is intense burning and acidity which does not allow the Rubinia patient to sleep. So Rubinia has a specific seat of action over here on the acid peptic disorder. So what does acidity means? Acidity and burning means there has to be some anger, and if it is gastritis or ulcer, so what does ulcer signifies? Ulcer signifies that there is a person there is an excess need of something, and because there is excess need to store something, the body starts with inflammation or the mucosal membrane gets inflamed. Later on goes into ulceration because the mind wants more and more and more. So the body reacts in this fashion by creating more space. And how more space is being created? By forming ulceration. So the process of ulceration is to increase the space in order to accommodate more. Okay. So now what does Rubinia wants? So there is one rubric in Rubinia, fear, disgrace of. Okay. So in Rubinia there is fear of being disgraced. So Rubinia always wants to be in a good position in the eye of people. Okay. And there is one delusion. Delusion, disgraced she is. So when the respect is gone for Rubinia, when Rubinia feels that I was having that respect previously and now this respect is totally gone because of any reason, so this creates a conflict for Rubinia where there is a need for respect, there is hunger for respect, and when Rubinia feels that I am not getting that, so here the gastritis and all those things starts. So this is the base. This should be the basis of prescribing Rubinia in acidity. When a person undergoes in a situation where he was having a very good reputation and suddenly something happens and he loses the reputation. So here he feels as if he is being disgraced. So now when the acidity starts, here you should prescribe Rubinia. So nothing specific like this should be prescribed. So the basis of Rubinia is this. I thought I would like to share with you people. Then second remedy is Eupatorum. So now what is the problem of Eupatorum? As you all know, Eupatorum has a lot of acute illnesses, viral illnesses, influenza-like symptoms, and dengue-like symptoms. And the important symptom in Eupatorum is lot of bone pain. The more the bone pains, the better it is indicated. So now why are these bone pains? From where are these bone pain coming in eupatorum. So bone pain means there has to be some self-devaluation going on. So in eupatorum, what is the self-devaluation? The problem of eupatorum is domination by father. Ailment from domination by father. Now what does father means? Father means any person who is in charge, who is like a boss of the family, who takes care of a group. Okay. A person who is responsible and who is protective. So eupatorum perfoliatum is controlled by that particular person who is supposed to be protective and responsible. So there is always a feeling of danger which eupatorum feels in the life. Okay. So from this basis, the delusion which starts our delusion heavy is, and he will fall. Single remedy is eupatorum. So now when there is excess domination, when there is too much control, so eupatorum feels that he cannot outstand such domination and he has to bow down as if there is some heavy pressure over him. So this is the feeling of eupatorum, and this is what is the meaning of this delusion. Then delusion, mind out of mind he would go. So when there is excessive control, so this control directly affects your intellect because you cannot think properly. So every time when there is a pressure, you cannot think properly, and therefore your stress hormones becomes high and the logical mind or the logical thinking process becomes less. So here the eupatorum feels that the intellect will be affected and he will go mad. So much control the eupatorum feels. Then there is also fear of suffering. This rubric is seen in eupatorum. So eupatorum has a feeling that he gets very much scared because of the suffering which he feels. And because he is under so much control, so he will try so many things. So he'll try hard so as not to receive this control. So he will work hard. But even though he will work hard, this hard work is not at all sufficient. So he feels that the delusion comes, that delusion, what is that? Delusion, prostration cannot utter such prostration. So here when the eupatorum tries to work hard so that he is kept free, because there is so much pressure which he feels from a particular person. He feels that if I work hard and if I try to please the other person, so he may leave me alone or he may not try to control me. But he is not able to please that particular person, and then he feels that I am totally exhausted by working and working and working. So delusion, prostration cannot endure such. Okay. Then eupatorum wants a very homely environment. So homesickness is one rubric which is seen, and they want to be held by the person. So held, ameliorate being held. So they want to be held and they want to talk about. So conversation ameliorates. So this is another rubric of eupatorum. So they want to be held and they want to be talked in a very nice manner. So this is what is the devaluation of eupatorum, which comes from the control and goes into these 3-4 delusions. So I thought I would like to share these rubrics, and the basis of prescription of eupatorum should be like this. Okay, so control is important, and in Robinia, feeling of disgrace is very, very important. So friends, The classical homeopathic prescription should be based on this and not on the specifics which you prescribe. I hope this video was enlightening to you. So friends, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for giving me so much attention and viewership. Thank you all. Have a nice day.